fallen from God, fallen from grace. God be my witness, I never shall yield till we come face to face, till we come face to face. He knows his way in the dark, mine is the way of the Lord. Those who follow the path of the righteous shall have their reward. And if they fall as loose of a pearl, the flame of the sword surrounds in the multitudes, scarcely we can tell, filling the darkness with order and light. You are the sentinels, silent and sure, keeping watch in the night, keeping watch in the night.